Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off notifications on Sweatcoin application. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Launch open Sweatcoin application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on your profile initial at the top left-hand corner. Now, click on the gear icon at the top right, and then this will open up the settings menu. Tap on notifications and toggle off the button right next to push notifications and make sure that it has been deactivated. Soon after you deactivate the button, you will no longer receive any push notifications from Sweatcoin. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.